Up to you guys, I'm hosting an art competition that you can join to win up to $10,000, which will begin now. This art competition is open to anyone that wants to join at any skill level. All you have to do is choose one of the 3 categories to draw in your own style. The first option is to redraw my original character Dax in whatever style or medium you choose. The second option is to do the same thing but for Turkey. And the third option is if you want to draw me, Michelle, or both of us. Here's a couple good examples of my original character Dax. As you can see, these people drew this in their own style. They used their own mediums. First place in each category, which is 3 people, will win $1,500. All second place winners will win $500 each. Third place winners will win $250, and there are 2 runner-ups that will get $125 each. This leaves $3,000 in prizes like PS4s, AirPods, and Nintendo Switches for random people who submit entries. Now, you're also going to want to meet the 6 judges that will be looking over your art.
G'day everyone, it's Jazza here from the YouTube channel of the same name. I'm excited to be a part of Zach's competition as a judge. Now, I have personally been really passionate about art since I was 11 and I'm currently 30, which means I have 19 years under my belt. I've been professionally doing art since I was about 17 and ever since then I've just been in love with art, animation and creativity, and I wish you all the best of luck. Really excited to be a part of it. Look forward to seeing your entry.